we need to talk about the hottest stock that you've never heard of. It's called Celsius Holdings. This is an energy drink maker that's seen its share price surge from the mid-single digits to just under 23 as of today. You know, that's up more than 370% just this year to date. Over the past couple months, I've gotten not one, but two calls about Celsius from Reed and Larry in Florida. But this stock was so hot that I wanted to do some homework before reaching a verdict, and it's controversial. Celsius has a compelling story. 2 months ago, it reported a phenomenal quarter, 86% revenue growth. But a couple of amateur, and I think they are, short sellers have hit him with fairly negative reports in the past couple of weeks. Now there's a pretty sizable short position, about 12% of the float. So before making up our minds on this one, how about we go straight to the source? Yes, let's take a closer look with John Fieldly. He's the CEO of Celsius Holdings. Hear more about his company and its prospects. Mr. Fieldly, congratulations on that last quarter, and welcome to Mad Money.
Thank you, Jim. Glad to be here. Our team has been working hard.
All right, so why don't you tell us about calorie-burning beverages, clinical trials follow-up, and the let's just say the fact that people seem to love this drink beyond all reason.
Absolutely, Jim. People love this product, love Celsius. It's not just your typical energy drink. Celsius tastes great. It has no crash, no jitters. It provides essential energy. It has over 7 essential ingredients in it. Green tea, guarana, ginger, backed by science, like you said. It is clinically proven to burn calories and body fat, and it is truly on trend. We were born in the gyms and health clubs, Gold's Gym, 24-hour, right here in our virtual Planet Fitness, and gaining distribution across the country and really riding the health and wellness trends.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's be out front. I tried to find the 7 research studies that indicate that things are good, done between 2005 to 2010. Could you point us to them so that these people who continue to hector me and tell me that you do not have any evidence will understand that you do?
Absolutely. The product, go to our website, Celsius.com. All the studies are there. They're double blind. They were done by Jeff Stout, who's world-renowned in the sports nutrition industry. They were done at the Oklahoma University. The product has science behind it. It is well documented. And the product was formulated by Greg Horn, who's a world-renowned formulation in the vitamin specialty space. So the product is spot on. We've also, our claims have been validated. We had a class action lawsuit in 2010, went through that process. So the claims are strong, and it also has been reviewed by the NAD. So it's not just a fly-by-night supplement. It is clinically proven with 6 clinical studies, and we are on fire. We're seeing more consumers want to live a healthier lifestyle, and this trend is not going to slow down, and Celsius is here to capitalize on it.
Okay, so tell me about your partners, where you've gotten in, because they're a pretty impressive group, whom I think could have done all this research that the short sellers did, and they could have walked away. These guys have unlimited firepower to make any decisions they want.
Listen, Jim, it's all about the numbers, right? The short sellers are out there, and you know that. You could do a whole episode on short sellers. They're out there really to hurt the average investor. And it's really sad.
We'll talk about the partner wins so that people know these are companies that all could look into you, right? And decide that you are not the real deal.
That's right. We got to deliver. You've seen our results in Q2, Q3. We got a 60% CAGR growth over the last 4 years in North America. So we are selling product. We're selling more each day, and retailers are bringing Celsius on.
All right. So talk about your partner wins and distribution partners.
Absolutely. Distribution's key in the beverage business. There hasn't been a billion-dollar brand not built without a distribution system. So over the last year, we've been working on a national distribution system. We're in a variety of Anheuser-Busch distributors, Keurig, Dr. Pepper, and many others around the country. Big guys are in New York, right in your backyard. As we build this national distribution network, we're going to be able to leverage our retail partners. Target, Walmart, CVS. We just launched in the Speedway. We're doing extremely well in 7-Eleven. Kroger, and many retailers across the country. Each channel of trade, we've been outperforming the category. And on Amazon, where the playing field is all equal, we have over a 10% share and the 3rd largest energy drink brand on Amazon. So it shows you the opportunity we have here.
All right, so it does, I'm listening to the opportunity, and yet there are many large insider sellers. And I'm trying to get my head around why you would be an insider seller if there's so many good things happening.
Jim, we're all long on this. We had insiders sell a small piece to bring in 2 strategic funds this year. That's the only reason for the small portion of the holdings that were sold by the insiders. Everyone else is long.
Well, I mean, obviously the sales are great. The fact that the distribution is done by companies that have look, there's no reason Target should affiliate with you if they were really scared. They have a fabulous group of people. I know the guys who run Keurig Dr. Pepper. They must have kicked the tires, right?
We're talking to a lot of people. We're focused on building this out. We're focused to be number one in the category. And we're riding all the health and wellness trends. I mean, this is where the category is going. We all know every single category in food and beverage is under disruption, and the energy category is under disruption right now, and Celsius is riding the wave.
Well, it does seem like that to me, but I want everyone to know there's two sides because some of these guys are pretty voracious. So if you get long it and they suddenly put out a report, steel yourself, steel your hearts. That's John Fieldly. That's Shakespeare. That's John Fieldly, CEO of Celsius Holdings, CELH. Thank you, John. Always good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you, Jim.
Mad Money is back after the break.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.